How to add a music player widget on your home screen on Vivo phones with Android 14, FunTouch OS 14. So if you got a new music player that you want to add as your widget on your home screen or the default player, go ahead and long press a blank area on your Vivo phone like this, and you'll see all the widget options appear here. For some phones, you might need to swipe up like this here and tap on the widgets option like that. Again, this is Android 14, FunTouch OS 14. So go down now and you'll look for your music player, okay? So if you just installed one, maybe I wanted this one here now, the Museo player, which is really awesome and I would recommend to you guys. You'll just go ahead and browse through the style that you want, all right? So we got these here. And the one that you want, you just go ahead and select it and long press it and drag it up, okay? Sometimes you can tap add. If not, just hold it like this and then place it up to where you want it to be. You can hold it and bring it over to our next page if you wanted to, and then release it. Now, just give it a few seconds. Sometimes there might be a delay like this here due to some compatibility, but wait for it to load up and you should get the full widget. Now at first it's gonna look like this here, but that's not what you want, right? So you'll long press the widget itself and you'll notice these little white dots on each side. So what you can do now is pull on it to increase the size of it, and it's gonna reveal the other parts such as the controllers. And then once you're done, you can just tap away and now you can access your songs from the home screen and play anything instead of having to go into the app itself, like and sub.